If you can't install WhatsApp Messenger from the Google Play Store and you get this error which say can't install WhatsApp Messenger, now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now on your Android, tap on Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now search for Google Play Store. So type Play Store and tap on the Google Play Store. Scroll down, tap on Storage, and make sure to tap on Clear the App Cache. After clearing the app cache, tap on the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and then tap on the WhatsApp Messenger and try to download or install the WhatsApp Messenger and check if the problem has been resolved. Now, if you've done so but you're still facing again the same issue which say can't install WhatsApp Messenger, now on your browser, you can go to Chrome or any browser and then tap on whatsapp.com/download. So go to this link here. After visiting this page, it will take you to the download WhatsApp. Just select get download WhatsApp directly. So don't download it from the Play Store. Just download WhatsApp directly from this page here. So I'll click download WhatsApp directly. Now it will start downloading WhatsApp. Now just wait for the download to finish. After it finishes, then try to open the WhatsApp APK and the issue should just be resolved. So it's very easy. Follow the instructions. The link to download WhatsApp from the whatsapp.com website, I'll put it on the description of this video. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.